All right, so if we're talking about number 17 from our chapter 5 test, we have this problem that talks about Charisse is making scones. Now, a scone is just like a type of muffin sort of thing. And she's making blueberry scones. So each scone, uses 3/4 of an ounce. So that's one thing that we know to start off with. How many scones is she going to make?
She's going to make 16.
16. So we know that the quantity of scones she will make would be 16. Now, a lot of people set this up wrong trying to divide. So if we know that we're going to make 16 scones that each have 3/4, I could, if I went back to like the elementary school method, I could just say there's 3/4 in the first one. So we could set up, okay, my first scone will have 3/4. My second scone will have another 3/4. My third scone will have another 3/4. My fourth scone will have another 3/4 of an ounce. But instead of adding over and over and over and over again, what could we do instead?
Multiply.
We could multiply. So we have to decide here, what is it that we want to multiply together? So
16 by 3/4.
exactly, because we want to take the amount in each and multiply that by the amount that we are going to make. And AMT is how we abbreviate amount, just taking kind of those extra letters out of there. So we know that we have 3/4 in each one. So I'm going to set up 3/4 times my amount is 16. But since I'm going to multiply by the fraction, what do I do with the 16?
I turn it into a fraction.
Yeah, we turn it into a fraction by putting it over what?
1.
By putting it over 1. So I then, to multiply, we multiply straight through the top and straight through the bottom. Now we could cross-reduce here if we wanted, but we don't have to, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. To do 3 times 16, break it up and make it easy. What's 3 times 10?
30.
30. What's 3 times 6? 18, right?
Yeah.
So then we get 48 on the top, 4 on the bottom, and how many times can 4 go into 48? We get 12 ounces. Our label there, a lot of people, even if they got 12, forgot the correct label. That would be 12 ounces of blueberries. So all the way from our start setup to our finish. Can't quite see the 12 all in one shot, but that's how we do that problem.